everyone, and welcome back to the 2020-2021 school year. My name is Sean Locks, and I teach World History Honors and Law Studies in Room 710. World History is a core class that is a full year. This course is an in-depth study of the history of civilizations and society. For Semester 1, we start with the Roman Empire and finish with the French Revolution. For Semester 2, we continue with the impacts of the French Revolution and end with significant events in the 21st century. The materials you will need for world history are something to write with, and most importantly, a 3-subject spiral notebook. You will keep everything in your spiral. A class set of the textbooks will be kept in my room, and students will have access to the textbook online. Grades will be based on a weighted system, with the 5 areas being tests and quizzes, projects, classwork, notebook checks, and class participation. I am aware that most of you are not on the edge of your seat excited about world history, so it's my goal that you leave this class with a new appreciation and love of history. For law studies, that's an elective, and it's in the social studies department. It is a semester-long course. I absolutely love teaching this class. We get to talk about so many interesting scenarios and cases. The students always have a lot of what-if questions, and even some of their own stories to share. This course is divided into 3 main topics: types of crime, the juvenile and adult arrest process, and criminal justice constitutional rights. We will discuss recent criminal cases, watch documentaries, and analyze actual footage of certain cases. The materials you will need for law studies is just a 1-inch 3-ring binder and a writing utensil. Grades will be based on a point system, easily allowing students to gauge the significance of each assignment based on the number of points allotted. As for me, I am a Plant graduate, and I have been teaching for 18 years. 13 of those years have been here at Plant. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at Shawn, SHAWN, .locks, LOCKS, at sdhc.k12.fl.us. While there is still a lot of uncertainty with regards to how the school year will begin, I still do look forward to meeting each of you soon.